This is Aid Maker. I'm making a lot of works with a 3D printer these days. This is a cell phone holder. This is, just a toy gear. This is cute Groot. Lastly, this is the microphone light I made. Isn't it cool? I decided to buy a turntable to showcase my work in a cool way. So I searched for turntables on Amazon, but turntables were too expensive for me. But I don't care because I have a 3D printer. For 3D modeling, I searched for pictures of turntable samples, but the reference images looked too complicated to make. So I decided to try making a turntable using this very basic motor. A very easy turntable that anyone can make. Just like this. How is it? Looks very simple, right? Don't you think you've seen this part somewhere? What is this? That's right. This is the part that helps when turning the microwave oven plate. This part helps us cook food well when we use the microwave. This was completed through 3D printing and assembly. Let's test the bearing printed with a 3D printer. Now, let's put the lid on. Just align the grooves properly and insert it like this. Please fit it tightly. Ruler, now let's get it working. I'm not satisfied with something. Let's upload the cute baby Groot. It works pretty well, right? But I wasn't satisfied with something. This is what it looks like from the side. The bearing was not making good contact with the top plate. So I decided to remodel. I decided to enlarge the bearings. This is my second turntable modeling. I definitely made the bearings bigger. And like this, assembly was completed. How is it? Are the bearings running well? This is a lid. Compared to the previous one, I printed it out a little larger. Let's combine the lids. I carefully spin it around. This time, the bearings make good contact, right? Let's spin baby Groot again. Groot, you have to look at the front. Rotation. Rotate again.
It seems like something is moving off center.
What? Holy shit. Try one more time. 2x speed. Damn. No matter how much I adjusted the voltage with the power supply, I couldn't slow it down. I decided to replace it with this powerful motor. This is my third time modeling. I replaced it with a ball bearing like this and fixed the motor firmly with a new one. This is what it looks like from the side. This is my third turntable. Ball bearings roll very well, right? We also strengthened the motor and installed a speed controller this time. This time I used USB power. Using such a small USB power source is very convenient. You can turn it on with a speed controller. Let's turn it on. Can you see it spinning? It's running very slowly. Now let's put the lid on. turn it on and let baby Groot help you. Wow, the turntable I imagine has come true. Should we slow down a little more? It's perfect. I think this is probably the lowest speed.
Hi, I'm Slow Groot.
If you listen to it with the sound turned off, it's the perfect turntable. For a moment, this motor was slow but powerful. It is said to have a strength of 15 kilograms, but I am not sure exactly how strong it is. Then, let's test it. First of all, it's a 5 kilograms disc. Perfectly success. Next is the addition of a 10 kilograms disc. It's really amazing. The turntable I made, it's carrying a total of 15 kilograms. This is what it looks like from the side. It's really stable, right? The ball bearings hold the weight well. After 3 attempts, I was able to complete the turntable I wanted. I started this project so I could make my own instead of buying an expensive turntable. Of course, due to 3 attempts, I ended up spending more money than I should have purchased. I am satisfied. My challenge will continue in the future. Soon, I will post it for free download on Thingiverse and Printable. I hope this helps those of you who need a turntable. See you next time. I am an aid maker helping you. See ya!